Healthcare can be really confusing, and not in a small way. I mean the kind of confusing where you open your patient portal, see a lab result, and think, okay, should I be worried? Or you read an MRI report and half the words look like they were written for another doctor, not for you. Or you leave the hospital with discharge instructions, but you're still not totally sure what you're supposed to do next. And then maybe an insurance letter shows up, and somehow that makes things even less clear. So, what do most people do? They Google it, not because they're trying to replace their doctor, not because they want random medical advice from the internet. They just want to understand what they're looking at. That's why we built Decode MD. Decode MD is designed to help you take confusing healthcare information and turn it into plain English understanding. You can paste in something like a lab result, MRI report, CT scan, pathology report, or discharge summary, and Decode MD helps explain what it says in clear, calm language, not to diagnose you, not to tell you what treatment to choose, and definitely not to scare you, just to help you understand. What are the key points? What do these medical words mean? What questions should I ask my doctor? That's the starting point. But the bigger problem is this. Healthcare confusion doesn't only happen in medical reports. It happens in portal messages, medication instructions, appointment notes, insurance denials, prior authorization letters, family updates, caregiver responsibilities, all the little pieces that patients and families are expected to manage, often during some of the most stressful moments of their lives. So Decode MD is becoming something bigger. Our goal is to build a patient-owned health understanding hub, a place where you can organize confusing healthcare information, understand what it means, prepare better questions, and feel more in control of your care. We're starting with medical report translation, then expanding into everyday healthcare communication, then tools for caregivers who are managing appointments, documents, updates, and questions for someone they love. Eventually, Decode MD will help people connect the dots over time. What changed? What should I follow up on? What should I ask at my next appointment? But here's the important part. Decode MD is not trying to be your doctor, and we're not here to turn health anxiety into a growth tactic. Healthcare AI should be private, transparent, careful, accessible, and deeply human. Our job is simple. Help people understand better, prepare better, and communicate better with the clinicians who care for them. Because when people understand what's happening, they can ask better questions. They can make more informed decisions with their doctors. They can support the people they love. And maybe, in a moment that feels overwhelming, they can feel a little less afraid. Decode MD, helping you feel informed, not afraid.
Decode MD is available now on the Apple App Store and Google Play.